You open your eyes, and something feels strange. The air smells different, cleaner, heavier with cold smoke. The world is quieter, slower. You step outside, and there are no cars, just carriages. People dressed in suits and hats, women in long dresses. The year is 1900. You've gone back 125 years in time. No notifications, no scrolling, no distractions. Only reality, raw and unfiltered. At first you panic. How will I survive? You have no ID, no credit card, no phone to prove you exist. But then you start to notice something beautiful. People are talking to each other, face to face. Children are playing outside. Men work with their hands. Every meal, every conversation, every moment feels real. There's no rush, no comparison. No pressure to look perfect for strangers on the internet. In 1900, success meant building something with your own hands, not chasing likes, but earning respect. As you walk through the city, you see newspapers talking about strange things. Electricity is just starting to spread. Cars are being tested by mad inventors. The Wright brothers are dreaming of flight. There's no Wi-Fi, but there's wonder. Every invention feels like a miracle. Every idea, a revolution. And it hits you. The people of the 1900s didn't have what we have today, but they had something we've lost. Curiosity. They weren't afraid to fail. They built without knowing if the world would accept it. They dreamed bigger because they had nothing to lose. You realize how disconnected we've become. In our world, everything is instant. Instant fame, instant feedback, instant regret. But in 1900, patience was power. If you wanted success, you had to earn it. Every invention took years. Every book was handwritten. Every dream required blood, sweat, and silence. And maybe that's why their success lasted longer. Because they built their lives not for speed, but for purpose. You meet a man working in a small workshop. He's covered in dust, hammering metal day and night. He's not rich, he's not famous, but his eyes, they shine with something we've lost. Hope. You ask him, why do you work so hard when life is so tough? He smiles and says, because I believe one day what I'm building will change someone's life. And you realize, this was the secret of the 1900s. They weren't building for themselves, they were building for generations. In the 1900s, every person knew the meaning of struggle. Wars, poverty, disease, hardship. Yet they kept moving. They built bridges, factories, schools, and dreams because they believed tomorrow would be better, even if they didn't live to see it. They understood something we've forgotten. Failure wasn't the end. It was part of the journey. The Wright brothers crashed hundreds of times before flying. Edison failed 1,000 times before lighting the world. Every fall brought them closer to success. Now look at us. One rejection, one bad day, and we give up. We forget that greatness takes time. You stand on a quiet hill, watching the sun set behind the smoke of the factories, and a thought hits you. Maybe going back in time wasn't a punishment. Maybe it was a reminder. A reminder that human progress doesn't start with technology. It starts with belief. We don't need more followers. We need more thinkers. We don't need faster machines. We need stronger hearts. Suddenly, everything fades. The noise of carriages, the smoke, the voices, all vanish. You open your eyes again. You're back. Your phone buzzes. Notifications flood in. The modern world screams for your attention. But something's changed. You're not the same anymore. You've seen how powerful simplicity can be. You've seen how greatness is built. one failure at a time. And you've seen how strong the human spirit can be when it decides to believe. So, the next time life feels overwhelming, remember the 1900s, the time of dreamers, builders, and believers. They didn't have what we have, but we can still have what they had. Courage, curiosity, and faith in the impossible. Because the truth is, we don't need to go back to the past to find meaning. We just need to remember what they never forgot. That every great story begins with one decision: to try before it's too late.